In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to create a neon effect in PS Touch. To create our neon effect, the first thing we have to do is to import the background. So let's just go ahead and do that really quickly. So here's the background and I'll add it. Done. Next, let's add our text or anything you want to add. It could be a logo. So click right here, click on text. So I'm just going to leave mine as text like this. You can type whatever you want to type. Click on done. Alright. Next, what you want to do next is to click right here. Click on this icon. Duplicate it. Click on done. Then you click right here again. Click on select pixels. Click right here. Click on inverse. Alright, now you want to click here. Click right here. Click on empty layer. Done. Click on this and fill it. Okay. Click on done. Deselect it. So click right here again and let's change the blend mode to multiply. Done. So you click right here and glow. So you can adjust it to whatever you like. So I'm going to keep mine really low. Okay, I think this one is okay. Click on done. So if you like, you can reduce the opacity. So I'll leave my own at this point. Nice. Now click on the other layer, which is this one. Click right here. Click on glow. You can select any glow of your choice. Okay. Click on done. While the other one, the last one, which is this one at the bottom, click right here again and drop shadow. So you want to take the distance really high. Nice. This is nice. So you click on done. Now let us apply some glow to it. So you click on this layer, drop down, click on the background layer and create an empty layer above it. Done. Click right here and gradient. So you click on this icon, click right here, click on radial, click right here, reverse it. This is what we want. So click right here. I'll change this one to 100% and take red. Same thing, I'll take red. Okay. Click done and change the blend mode to overlay. That's it. You can duplicate it, transform it, put it right here to enhance the glow effect. Done. And that's how easy it is. So thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.